2 weeks after a deadly explosion in Flint killed Lisa Rahowiak and a toddler at the home of one of her neighbors, Southfield attorney Jeffrey Feiger is taking action by filing a $50 million lawsuit on behalf of the Rahowiak family against Consumers Energy.
They have to be responsible for the consequences of the delivery of their product. They're not immune.
Attorney Feiger says the incident that took place in this Flint neighborhood in November was a gas explosion and the result of negligence that could have been avoided if Consumers Energy had acted on the concerns of its customers.
Consumers knows very well that the gas leaked outside the home. Consumers knows very well that they were called on numerous occasions, not only by Lisa Rahowiak, who called that morning, but also other property owners who called days before, reporting some ungodly smells that they related to gas.
Attorney Feiger maintains that if appropriate steps had been taken, lives would have been saved.
The Consumers Energy people came, they claimed there was no problem, and yet we know later that day Lisa's house exploded. She died, a neighbor's child died, scores of homes were damaged.
And now the Rahowiak family is trying to move forward without their loved one.
They're very upset. She had a daughter, she had a son. They were very close to her, and they're very, very upset about this.
Fox 2 requested an on-camera interview with Consumers Energy, but instead the company offered this statement, which reads in part, "Our hearts continue to go out to residents of this community. Our investigation shows there were no leaks or other issues relating to our natural gas system, equipment, or service outside the home. Additionally, Consumers Energy has reviewed internal call logs and vehicle tracking data, all of which confirms that we were not notified of a gas leak in the home or any related issue prior to the incident. Contrary statements in the lawsuit documents are false, and the legal claims are baseless."
Well, that's laughable. Consumers knows it's responsible. It's a gas explosion as a result of something that occurred in the gas lines of not just this house, but it occurred outside the home.
Fox 2 also reached out to the family of toddler Nevaeh Lucas, who was killed in this tragic incident, and they declined to comment. But Attorney Feiger says it's possible that a class action lawsuit against Consumers Energy could be next.
It could, for the reason that there are many property owners involved in this case also, and they suffered significant damage to their homes.
Consumers Energy has 30 days to respond to the lawsuit.
They should spend as much money maintaining their system as they do charging and paying their executives millions of dollars.
In Southfield, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.